So I'm in the Mongkok area in Yimpo Fong Street, and there's some quite nice lines of trees along here. As you can see, this is the after effect of Typhoon Saola. Luckily, we've got away without too much damage. These trees have taken a bit of a hit, but it's mostly just branches. So last night it actually was a Typhoon 10. That means the wind speed was incredibly high, hurricane force winds, and Typhoon Saola passed to the south of Hong Kong Island within about 30 kilometers. And so really I can't see any broken glass or anything, or big trees that are down, but there's quite a lot of minor, what would you say, damage, carnage in this area. These trees always take a big hit when a typhoon comes through. It's all piled up here. Let's see if I can force a way through. Yep. So this will be a massive clean-up job for somebody. And as far as I know, there is another typhoon out in the Pacific Ocean waiting to come in. So get ready for that one as well. More tree damage. This little park here, McPherson, seems to have taken quite a big hit as well. Wow. This tree here has been ripped all the branches off. Shandong Street. This is the biggest one that I've seen down so far. That's quite a big branch. So this is just in my local area and just in the park. So out in the countryside, out on the islands, it's probably hundreds, maybe thousands of trees. So I'm guessing that this came off of there. Even the bus stop got hammered. whole tree uprooted. Luckily just a smaller one, and it's come down in the park, so not too dangerous. Plenty more damage. Watch this on the floor. You were very lucky if you missed these. Not sure if they're glass or I think they're glass. There's another whole one there. And more. It's plastic, but still dangerous. And inside again. And so I just realised where they came from. It's the roof. It's covered these seats. This one's half missing. You can see the power. It's just ripped it off. The roof is totally missing from this seating area. The one over there is totally missing. This one is half missing. I hope you can see that. There's one of the metal fastenings that was holding it on, and that's just been totally ripped off. The power of Mother Nature. It respects no one and nothing. Wonder which way the wind was blowing. Jordan Road, looks like the traffic lights are broken. Good news, the banyan trees in Park Lane are relatively unscathed and all still standing.